I'm Chef Karen DeVoe. I'm the coordinator of the culinary program here at Loyalist.
I'm Chef Scott Royce, and I'm the culinary lab technician here in the culinary program at Loyalist.
With the production of Chef School, the second-year culinary students here at Loyalist have the opportunity to be showcased in a reality show as they are put into teams, create dishes, develop the dishes, test the dishes, and ultimately perform in front of 60 people and produce a fabulous multi-course meal that their final mark is based on. So good morning.
Morning.
Morning. So today is the day that we're going to be picking the teams for your final exam dinner. So we've divided the work into 4 different teams. So we've got appetizers, starters, main courses, and dessert. So we have a piece of paper in the chef hat here that represents each of those choices. And in order to keep the teams fair and random, we're going to call you up individually. You're going to select your team by picking a piece of paper out of the hat. Once your team has been selected, you're going to sit at your station where they are here. And the team selection will be final. Any questions?
No, Chef.
Just make sure you stay where you're at so everybody knows where you're going, please.
Yes, Chef.
My name is Tess Sabrine. I am from Madoc, Ontario. I grew up there my whole life. I've lived in the same house my whole life, so just hometown girl kind of thing. What motivates me to get out of the bed in the morning would be just the fact that you know that you're doing something that you love every day, so it's not really work anymore. It's something new every day that you have to try, so that's kind of fun. Some things that I enjoy are like hunting and fishing, like outdoorsy kind of stuff. Cooking is something that I've kind of newly found, so I really enjoy that too. When I was younger, I spent a lot of time with my grandma, so watching her be able to cook, and then that kind of just stuck. And I was like, hey, maybe I can do that. And then I realized how good I actually was at it, and then I was like, hey, maybe I can go to school for that. I also didn't know what else I wanted to take, so I went with my passion. I really don't want to be on mains or desserts because that's kind of not my thing. I'd rather just do be like the big starter at the start kind of thing. So I'd like to be an app.
Sweaty.
Starters.
I feel really good about it. That was a big relief.
And last but not least, Liam.
I'm Liam Doyle. I'm from Shannonville, Ontario, which is like right outside of Belleville. I have a big family, and I'm here at Loyalist Culinary now. I think it was a pain in my parents, because I was a pretty loud, rambunctious kid. Typically for fun, I just cook or I hang out with friends. Sometimes I hang out with friends and cook. I really want to be on mains because I like doing elaborate dishes, like the big protein and the sides and everything. I really don't want to be on the dessert team because I just don't like pastries, and I don't like the numbers involved with baking and everything.
Oh, that's okay. It's just
Starters.
I feel great. I got Tessa with me. We'll knock it down, you know.
Okay, so I know that some of you are in the places that you wanted to be in, and others of you are not. But that's the fun part about this exercise, is that you don't necessarily get to, you don't get to choose where you're going to be. So moving forward now, the next thing that we have to do is we're going to send you away to do some brainstorming. So you're going to work with your partner, and you're going to come up with some dishes that you're going to be presenting to Chef Scott and myself that are appropriate for the course that you've selected. Okay? We're going to ask that you present us with an animal-based option as well as a plant-based option. Your plant-based option can include dairy, but it should be modifiable to accommodate a vegan guest if necessary. We are going to ask that you use visual supports when you present your ideas to us. So that can include sketches, that can include photographs. The photographs can either be photos that you've taken off the internet, or if you're feeling ambitious and you want to test out the dishes, you're welcome to do that as well. Okay, so if there aren't any questions, you can go and start to work on your brainstorming process.
Thanks, guys. I'll talk to you soon.
Oh yeah, we got a slideshow.
I think they should like it.
I'm hoping that they're just gonna tear it apart, honestly.
If they want stuff changed, we're gonna have to change it, so.
We still have a pretty simple idea happening here. I don't feel like we're all the way there.